Hey Mom, Mikey, your birthday bear with a singing Bear Graham for your big day. Hey Mom, I just wanna say you're another year older but looking better every day. You're 31 years old but you still look great. Why all your friends in Brooklyn think you're not a day over 28. Ooh, yeah Mom, a happy birthday. Have a happy, happy birthday. Now, Mom, this is only one of the surprises we have in store for you today. The others I can't tell you about, but we're all sending our love on your special day and hope you celebrate many, many more happy birthdays just like this. Here's one more chorus I want to sing for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are sending birthday wishes to you. I want to share your good times all year through. I'm saying have some cake and party tonight to celebrate your big day just right. Ooh, yeah, Mom, a happy birthday. Have a happy, happy birthday. Ooh, Mom, we're saying have the greatest birthday. And I do hope you enjoy your special day. Oh, yeah.